Hi and hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to another baking episode made available only for you here at My Cakes and More, where my cakes are also yours and more. So, today, my dear friends, I have prepared a very exciting recipe which you once again will definitely love. I would say that this is the basic of all recipes here at My Cakes and More simply because of its easy to follow steps, and this is very basic amongst us Filipinos. I'm gonna share with you the traditional Pandesal recipe. It is loved because of its soft and milky texture. So, what are we all waiting for? Let's start! So my dear friends, that is it for today's episode here at My Cakes and More. So well, that is definitely another recipe added onto your list. I can't wait to see your creations on Facebook. So please do tag us, and we would once again be glad to drop you a line as a way of our reply. So now guys, you already know how to prepare this lovely traditional and classic Pandesal recipe. Remember, it's loved because of its soft and milky texture. So enjoy it in the morning, afternoon, or evening. So again, thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to having you once again in our next baking and cooking episode. Only here at My Cakes and More, where my cakes are also yours and more. Thank you so much for your continued support to our channel, My Cakes and More. So, see you again. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye and God bless you.